On behalf of ExpertVillage, this is Paul Lewis, and today I'm going to give you some basic iClone Machinima filmmaking tips and techniques. Basically what I want to do with Dr. Dribble is I want to make sure he's selected. I'll go up to Tools, click on Character and Custom, and I'm going to click Control F7 on my keyboard. And where it says character 1, I'm going to take the 1 out and put a 2 there. And then click Add, and you'll see another default character will appear in the window, right over Dr. Dribble. I want to exchange this character for my second character for my movie. So I'll go to Tools, Character, Custom, and I'll scroll down. I'll look for the second character that I want. In this case, it's a character that I've created called Lonnie Starlet, which is kind of like a Jessica Rabbit type of, Betty Boop type of character, voluptuous blonde type of character here. Be a good counterpart for the Dr. Dribble character. So let me see if I can find her. There she is. Double click on my character there, and I'm going to bring her in. And there she is.